You've tried adjusting your pistol red dot, but the dot just won't zero? Don't panic. Today we solve the most common, fail to zero, issues. Check whether the maximum adjustment range of the red dot is exceeded. Each red dot sight has a different adjustment range. You need to first check the maximum adjustment range in the manual and then adjust the red dot based on this maximum adjustment range. The adjusting screw cannot be adjusted by force. Stop forcing the clicks. If the adjustment screw won't turn, you've hit its mechanical limit. Forcing it will break internal components. Close quarters zeroing. When the point of impact, POI, adjustment exceeds the red dot sight maximum elevation range, the POI can no longer be aligned with the reticle. Install a 1-degree angled shim beneath the optic. This allows the reticle to shift downward, achieving alignment with the close-range POI. Red dot adjustment not moving? Lock it down and use a reference. Handheld adjustments during zeroing may compromise precision due to unwanted vibration, movement. 1. Secure your pistol in a rest, bags, vise. 2. Mount laser bore sight. 3. Adjust the red dot sight windage and elevation turrets until the reticle aligns precisely with the laser reference point. 4. Fire test shots, repeat at desired zero distance. Use OEM screws exclusively. Do not intermix screws of different brands, lengths. Intermixing screws of different brands, lengths may compromise optic mounting stability and degrade shooting accuracy. If both screw heads do not match with appearance of depth, then your optic is installed incorrectly and at least one screw is too long. After torquing screws to specification, mark positions with a permanent marker for quick visual inspection of potential loosening. Use a marker to draw a line on top of the screw. If the line shifts during use, it indicates that the screw is loose. Due to variations in muzzle velocity, ballistic coefficient, and projectile weight among different ammunition types, it is recommended to re-zero the sight when changing ammunition specifications to ensure optimal accuracy.